People, welcome back to another video on the channel by yours truly. Today you're probably wondering why the audio and video sound slightly different than normal. Well, this is going to be a full-on camera review of the Galaxy S21, so I'm going to be taking you along throughout my day, just video recording some of the stuff I do, and then I'll do a bunch of photo samples as well in here so you guys can get the full-on review and analysis of the Galaxy S21's cameras, the telephoto, the ultra-wide, as well as the normal camera. So this is the front-facing camera and the microphone you can expect coming from the device. I'll also show you the rear-facing camera and the video capabilities of that. I'll do some 4K even. It's probably going to be a pain in the butt to render, but yeah, we're going to do it. And yeah, let's hop into the video. Galaxy S21 full camera review. Oh, and also happy Easter, by the way. I'm going to be uploading this on Easter, so yeah, happy Easter to everyone. Hope everyone's doing okay during these tough times. It's almost over, to be honest, but yeah, let's get into the video. Not like a vlogger by any means, but if you are like interested in starting a vlogging channel, the Galaxy S21 is actually a fantastic phone to do so because the cameras are so sharp and it does a really good job with like motion tracking and like facial recognition. The front-facing camera, which this is being recorded on right now, is really solid. Does a good job with like skin tones and kind of like boost the colors and stuff like that. And overall, I think it's a great package. So definitely check this out. If you're an Android person, obviously, like the cameras vary depending on what device you get, but Samsung is definitely a good choice. Obviously, if you're in the Apple ecosystem, iPhones do great at video recording as well. So it's up to you. If you're iOS or Android, you know which one to choose. So as I say, you should always write down what you want to accomplish throughout the day. This is so you can stay more disciplined as opposed to relying on motivation to get everything done. So just make a list of everything you want to do today. So like I have a meeting at 4 o'clock today. I need to edit some recent videos and make some thumbnails. I want to read my book that I've fallen behind on. And then I also want to exercise. And then finally, a big one is relax because I have not gotten a lot of chances to relax this week. But yeah, we're going to get that done. As you all know, I've been like stuck in quarantine for now like week and a half, going on 2 weeks at this point, and it's been bad. It blows, honestly. And today's my last day in here, and then I can leave. And I'm super excited because I want to get back to the real world. And also, me and my buddies have a trip planned to go casino, which is cool. Play some poker. Been practicing up on my poker. I don't know if you guys knew that about me, but like I'm a kind of like a poker addict. Been playing for a little over a year at this point, and it's been super fun. No, probably a year and a half-ish, and I've been getting better every time, practicing, studying up, and it's been a really fun experience. So I'm excited to get back out there and play live. So now I think for this portion of the video, I think it's best to just do a bunch of photo samples. I'll do photo samples on the front-facing camera, and then all 3 cameras on the rear, so you guys can get like a good variety of like the kind of pictures you can expect with this device. But also the image stabilization on here when I'm just like walking around like this is pretty solid for the most part, which is great. So yeah, let's hop into the photography section of this video. Just a handheld shot on the Galaxy S21. I know it's going to do the photos, but it's going to be after this. Guys, if you want to relax and reduce anxiety, please try meditation. What I do is not like the crisscross applesauce sort of thing, like sitting here like humming. Like, no, that's not what I do. That is a form of meditation, but that's not what I do. I literally just sit here, lay down on my bed, put earbuds in, listen to my favorite music, and just think. I don't like fall asleep. I'm just sitting there like thinking about what I have to do, like past events in my life, really reflect on stuff and try to like learn from my mistakes and also like learn from my successes at the same time. So please, please, please utilize this in your life. It's so, so useful. Okay, guys, so that's going to be this episode. I hope you enjoyed all those photos and videos. Hope you got a good sample of what this Galaxy S21 can do in terms of its camera capabilities. I think it's great. I think it's pretty solid overall and very versatile. So, yeah, like, subscribe for the $1,000 giveaway for the Galaxy Buds Pros. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode. Scott Tyler. Peace out, guys.